iPods. This is the iPod 4th gen, the iPod 2nd gen, I believe. Sorry, my camera's a little blurry. And then the iPod Nano. Today we'll be showing how to fix the hard drive on the iPod 4th gen. You're gonna have to open the back case. This is just something you're gonna have to do. I suggest a kit from iFixit with the little metal pry bars, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna be using a butter knife, and we're just gonna get into it. So now that you've got your butter knife or hopefully iFixit kit, or just thin metal strip, you can try and get your metal of some sort under the metal skirt in the iPod and then push up. That one wasn't very successful, but if you get under and push up, your iPod should reveal itself to you. You should be very careful of this ribbon cable here, because if you break this, your headphone jack won't work and several other things. And then this is the HDD, or hard disk, and we are going to want to lift this black portion here and then lift it up and then very carefully lift it out of its many pin connector. I don't even want to count these, there's so many. And then this is the point where you grab your new hard drive that you probably got off the internet. I actually don't know where you get these anymore. This is a Toshiba, so you can probably still get them off their website. I wouldn't be surprised. And I'm just going to pretend this is a new hard drive and insert it the same way. Get the pins here and line them up. This can be a little tricky sometimes. Kind of tricky for me, actually. Line them up and just push in gently until it's nice and firm, and then push the black portion down, and then put the back case back on, and then you should just push down on 4 corners, in the middle, and then sides, both sides of corners, and then your iPod's put back together. This should snap in, and then you should have to format the hard drive, so you have to plug it into a computer and format it for Mac or Windows, and then you should have a fully functioning iPod that should sync and work with a modern Mac. Hope this helped.